Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: how to reduce your carbon footprint. As concerns about climate change grow, it's essential that we all play our part in minimizing our impact on the environment. In this video, we'll explore practical and actionable tips that you can incorporate into your daily life to make a positive change. So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the tips, let's take a moment to understand what a carbon footprint is. Your carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide, that are released into the atmosphere due to your activities. This includes everything from driving a car to using electricity, and even the food you eat. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can help slow down climate change and preserve our planet for future generations. One of the biggest contributors to your carbon footprint is the energy you use at home. Start by replacing traditional light bulbs with energy-efficient LEDs. These use significantly less energy and last longer. Unplug electronics when not in use and consider investing in smart power strips that automatically cut off power to devices in standby mode. Also, ensure proper insulation to prevent energy wastage, and adjust your thermostat to conserve energy. Transportation is another major source of carbon emissions. Whenever possible, opt for public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking. If you need to drive, consider choosing a fuel-efficient or electric vehicle. Electric cars have come a long way and have a significantly lower carbon footprint compared to traditional gas-powered vehicles. Our consumption habits also impact our carbon footprint. Buy local and seasonal products to support local farmers and reduce the carbon emissions associated with transportation. When shopping, choose products with minimal packaging and consider second-hand options. By reducing waste and choosing sustainable products, you're making a positive difference. The 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle are essential for lowering your carbon footprint. Reduce your waste by avoiding single-use plastics and opting for reusable alternatives like water bottles, bags, and containers. Reuse items whenever possible and make recycling a habit. Familiarize yourself with your local recycling guidelines to ensure you're disposing of items correctly. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances, such as refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates that they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. These appliances not only save you money in the long run, but also contribute to a greener environment. Consider transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar or wind power for your home. Installing solar panels can significantly reduce your reliance on fossil fuels and lower your energy bills over time. Many regions offer incentives and tax benefits for adopting renewable energy, making it a smart long-term investment. Believe it or not, your dietary choices also impact your carbon footprint. A plant-based diet has a lower environmental impact compared to a meat-heavy diet. Animal agriculture is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins into your meals, you're making a positive contribution to the environment. Conserving water is crucial as well. Fix any leaks in your home promptly. Install water-efficient fixtures, and be mindful of your water usage. Simple actions like taking shorter showers and using a broom instead of a hose to clean driveways can save gallons of water over time. Lastly, support businesses and initiatives that prioritize sustainability. Vote with your wallet by choosing brands that are environmentally conscious and advocate for sustainable practices. By demanding change from businesses, we can collectively drive a shift towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining me on this journey to reduce our carbon footprints. Remember, every small action counts, and when we come together as a global community, we can make a significant impact. By implementing these tips and encouraging those around you to do the same, you're contributing to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable planet for generations to come. Let's take action today for a better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on sustainable living, eco-friendly tips, and ways to make a positive impact. Until next time, stay green.